another video. Back out again. Setting up the beast and we'll see what we get today.
Right, our first thing. Oh, it's a lock.
Yeah, we've got a bolt.
Bolt, lock, bolt. It looks like a spring off a bed as well.
Maybe a bed spring?
Or a chair.
Spring, yeah, it looks like a chair, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Chair or sofa. Cool.
He's slushing something. Oh, like a corner bar, something. I don't know.
Some sort of bracket.
Eee.
It's got the four
Yeah.
walls.
Off the bridge, you think? It's
Okay.
a train bridge there. Yeah. So as it could be.
Really?
He's stuck on the side. Oh goodness.
Yeah,
And
it's
he's got
stable.
an E, what they call it, E-clamp.
E-clip.
E-clip.
Yeah. Cool. We've got quite a few of these, haven't we?
Yeah.
Especially by a train bridge.
Oh, I can hear some quack quacks up there. It's lovely here. Look at that field there. Feels very peaceful. Some houses down there. Here comes the trolley. Let's just put this up. Oh, what's that then? It's got all the twigs in it. Oh, what?
These are bike handlebars.
Oh yeah, there's the brake on it, look.
Yeah. Oh dear.
Wonder if the rest of it's down there.
You never know.
You never know. If it is, you got to do the jiggle. It's got the. Oh look, you got two of them E-clips.
Yeah, no, one but two. So that's three from the
Three, yeah.
Right. All the twiggies.
And loads of twigs. Anything else? Whoa! Jesus! That blew
yeah,
right
my
from me.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
Have a look.
I must start roll then.
Just that. Shows you how powerful
Yeah.
that is, doesn't it?
Probably.
Oh, we got a nut.
Oh, you're not.
Yeah, a little nutty nut. Right.
He's picking something up.
I don't know if it's heavy.
Looks like a scaffold. Yeah.
Yeah, this pole.
Piece of monkey pole. Oh, that's one of them pegs.
I thought that, but it's not.
It is, look, they're all there, look. They're all holding these up.
Oh, yeah.
So, look homemade. Oh, I don't know. Here we go, he's bringing something else up.
Yeah.
Oh no, what's that then? That's got to be off the bridge, isn't it?
Oh, we got a snail.
Got what? Oh, a snail.
Hmm.
Put it back in the water. So easy size. Is that all just gunk on there, like sand in it?
It's like clay.
Yeah. I'd definitely say it's off the bridge though, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Looks like it.
Or the train, I don't know.
Let's go this clay off.
Yeah, look at that.
Right. I don't really want to chuck the clay back in.
Well, it's been there for years, the clay. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the studs there, look.
Yeah, they have the knobbly bits on the track as well.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, a can. Oh no, it is natural.
That looks like a piece of pipe. Or flue. Something like that.
Oh, there's a geese.
Hello, flue.
What else?
And another
Oh
E-clip.
no, not a four. Oh my God.
Is that four?
4 now, yeah. Look what he's got.
It's another one.
5.
5 alive.
Sure, we could build something pretty with that. Should weld them all together.
Yeah.
What's your welding skills like?
Don't know, I've never tried.
So I solder, but I've never tried welding. What you got to wheel it? Oh no, that's not a wheel, is it?
Nope. It's a disc with the holes.
Just with the hole.
Looks like eyes and nose in the mouth.
Yeah, it doesn't it?
Ooh.
Looks like them potato faces. A monkey bar.
It's like the handles or something, doesn't it?
It's a wheelbarrow or
Like a
something.
wheelbarrow, yeah.
Yeah. It's got part of fencing.
Only a little fence this time.
Yeah, it is.
It's not like the one with Jamie was with her.
I know, yeah. That was a whopper. Oh, I'll get the slugs off. Snails.
Snails.
Oh, look, one, two. Here. Eat one.
What?
Eat one.
I'm not French. Eat that.
What?
Eat that.
You know, it's one of them leechy things. Oh my goodness.
He's going to eat you.
No, get it away. Put it back in.
gonna
Oh, look
get
out. No.
He's going to get you.
Stop.
He's going to get you.
Oh, seriously. Did you chuck it back in? Oh, he's so mean to me.
Fishing seat.
Oh, bit of one.
Oh, part of one, yeah. Looking like that.
Bit of a fishing seat. Oh yeah, it is like a chair, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bit of a chair.
Cool.
Look what we got. Another one.
It's another one.
Is that number 6?
I think so.
One of those. I'll make something out of them. Oh look, got a acorn.
With a capital H.
Seriously?
You're the one that said acorn.
Acorn, that's me brum.
That's not Brummie. That's just Julie.
Acorn.
That's better.
It's an acorn on there, Philip.
It's an acorn, eh? that's yum yum.
Oh god. Look. Number 7.
Number 7.
Oh wow.
Eat dirty.
Eee. Oh. Help. What you got there then? What is it?
Part of a scaffold climb.
Oh no. Go on, strong boy, you can do it.
No, I can't.
Bites.
There we go. More clay again, look.
Yeah, loads. Oh, this is a different one. That's a biggie.
That's a doubler.
Capital E.
That's
I
a
haven't seen one of them ones before though, have you?
No. I don't think it's the same as the Eclipse.
Don't know.
Unless you just got
Oh, there's a
snare.
snail.
Snare.
Oh, train.
Oh, don't stand under the bridge.
No, it's bad luck.
Can't believe you still fall for that.
Yeah, but it might be.
It's not. See if you're on
It
top.
is.
See if the train goes under.
No. I could try and go under you.
If you're on top of the bridge and the train goes under.
Hey. Oh my god, my ears
You know how
pickle.
bridges work, surely.
How can I try and go under you?
If the train track is underneath the bridge. Say this was the other way around and we were standing up there on top of the bridge.
Oh,
and
a
this was the
track's
train
here.
track.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially
yeah.
bad luck to be crossing the bridge when the train goes under.
No, you're just fooling me with codswallop.
Telling you.
That's just
So wait,
codswallop.
Google it.
Googling it.
Google it.
It'll probably just come up saying, don't be silly.
Just going for that.
One search found, don't be silly. Oh, come on, get on with it. Let's see what he's got. He's got all sorts here. Oh, that's a clamp thing, isn't it? That's part of a fence peg, do you think? Just
Looks
a
like it
dinky one.
with foam round it.
Yeah.
Not padding.
All
Oh, they
sorts
might
to
have
do
used
with
that for a
fishing.
rod rest.
Yeah. And is that like
That is
scaffolding
a
clamp?
scaffold clamp.
Monkey as hell. What?
I don't want to get my finger stuck.
Yeah.
Scaffold clamp. There's lots
been
of
down
snails
there.
around here.
Yeah.
They're all the same.
Been
Same
down
looking.
here, seen it that. Look at the side of it.
Yeah. What's now?
Nah. Hello, snail.
Good source of protein if you're on survival mode.
Not on survival mode yet. I've got some
No, mate.
Starburst in my pocket. Oh, hello. That is off a wheelbarrow.
Yeah.
Isn't it? That's the bottom foot bit.
Foot bit.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Oh, another one of them.
Another one, isn't it?
A biggie. It's a big A. Big A is a barge coming. Oh dear. We've got another A. Wow, I've lost count. What's that number?
7, is it?
No, it's more than that.
I'll count them up.
Yes, I have lost count. Right, he's got another. Where's it gone? E. Another E. That looks like part of the wheelbarrow. Oh, you're back.
There's my front.
Wow. Oh, I don't like that line. That's too close. What's your
This
front?
is my front, not my back.
Oh my goodness. You confuse me so much.
It's easy, that's why. That's what I do, because it's easy. And you took your head like a confused dog, you go, eh?
Oh, pretty blue. Look at that. Oh, now that's pretty, isn't it? I like the colour of that.
Loud that is.
It's not, got it. I need a handle on that. I've never seen a blue one like that before, though, have you?
No, not that colour.
Pretty blue.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's the best condition one we found, isn't it?
Oh yeah, 'cause we're gonna need a handle.
Yeah. Someone couldn't handle their job.
Is that metal? There's got to be something metal, because...
Plastic with a metal pip.
What is it?
I have no idea.
Oh, that's a can.
Can.
That's weird, isn't it?
Strange. Right.
Oh my goodness, look at this. There's loads of these down here.
That looks like a trap bolt.
Yeah. If you can get it off.
There's one. Oh, really?
Oh my goodness, you're having funny.
And there's the other.
There we go.
Cool.
A big pole. That looks like telephone wire, doesn't it?
Yeah. That looks like washing line wire.
Or fencing. Telephone.
Yeah, it's a telephone socket.
Yeah. And that's a... pin things. It's a fence. Oh, it says it's on some... Oh, it's raining. I think it's raining. Oh. Oh my goodness, no. You're going to have to grab that. It's like a sack. One of them things. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't fall in. Oh.
I got it.
Yeah, but what's in it? Oh my god. Don't put it on the path. Put it more on the grass. People go walk past here. Oh.
That is
Oh my goodness.
a sack full
These are these clips.
of these clips.
Get them all out. Then you can empty the sludge out. What's your magnet? He's done it again. Careful what you're putting your hands into.
I can see it.
Oh, they got the little ones as well. Oh. they was doing something on the train track, didn't they? And thought, just might have accidentally dropped him in or couldn't bother to take him back to their depot. I don't know.
I'd say they've accidentally dropped him in.
Yeah, maybe. Is that all of them? That's all just sludge in it.
Should just drop the magnet in, really.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Instead of sticking my hands in it.
Yeah.
So I don't know what's in it.
No, exactly. Go for it. Eee, hear the sound of that? No, there's
There isn't
nothing in
anymore.
there. Well then. That was a weird surprise, wasn't it?
There we go. Here we got
Got one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them and 2 of them.
Yeah, we need to make something out of these.
Definitely.
Unless they want them back. We'll charge them.
Yeah.
What?
Hit us up.
Yes.
I have no order.
That looks like a lid off of them bird feeders.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, what I mean, what you...
Yeah, then hang it in the tree.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's cool.
that's what it reminds me of anyway.
Isn't it?
What you got?
That reminds me of the handle off a shovel.
How do you think?
You know, the grip.
Yeah.
The top. Because in America they just have the pole, don't they? They don't have the handles like we do.
I don't know.
Mm.
Could be. See if it'll fit. Go on, let's have a look. It's only here. Oh, I don't know, it looks... It does as well, look at that. It is, isn't it? That's perfect fit.
Yeah. See, in
just
America they don't
throw
have these sort of handles on most of their tools.
Oh, they just have a big...
It's
oh,
just,
okay.
just the stick in it.
I don't know.
How many American shows do we watch and you don't know?
I've never took much notice of a shovel. Why would I do
You have
that?
a look next time someone gets murdered on one of the shows and they bury him. Just have a look at the shovel they use.
No, I'm sure they've got handles as well. I'm going to have a look. What, you slurshing? Oh,
Scaffold clamp.
scaffold clamp.
Ta-da.
How many is that now then? It's about 3 of them, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like today.
and then
Oh, here he is with his magic bucket, cleaning the mess up. You love your bucket, don't you?
yeah, I still haven't put a rope on it.
I know, yeah. Look at him.
I keep squashing it.
You've just knelt in it. Wally.
Waterproof.
Ooh. Oh, hello. Oh,
Really? Oh, I kept one of them. Another one in brackets.
that looked like, yeah, that is that what you just dropped in looked like a funnel, didn't it?
Yeah. Funny old funnel.
Wasn't it?
Depends where it's settled. I think mine.
Yeah, you got it. Oh, that looks like a coal bucket, you know. Does it?
Coal bucket.
Is that a handle on there?
Yeah. Snails.
Turn it up the other way round. I don't know now.
It's double layered.
Yeah, it probably is a funnel, isn't it? I don't
Yeah.
know.
I think it's like a chimney
Yeah.
for a barge or something. Or like on a
Interesting.
frontier stove or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, they've got like
Bracket
a
there.
finger there, yeah.
Bracket on the handle.
Ooh.
Who knows? More snails inside.
Oh god. That's a cool find.
I've no idea what it is.
Weird.
Just funny shape, huh?
Yeah.
Strange.
What you got? Oh,
Couple
bolts.
of track bolts. Well, that's a track bolt. I don't know about that one. That one looks smaller, doesn't it?
It does look small, but they do come in different sizes, don't they?
Normally they're about that size, don't they?
Yeah, one could be a track, one could be off the bridge. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
What you got? Oh, scissors. Oh,
Pair of
they've been
scissors.
long, down there long, haven't they?
Yeah, then.
Yeah, they've got still together, haven't they?
Yeah.
Just a load of stones and that in it. Ooh. What you got then?
That's just all stones.
What's that shiny? Oh no, it's a leaf.
It's a leaf.
Okay. That's a corn thing, isn't it?
And then brackets.
Yeah.
Cool.
What's that? That must have been a bird.
I just hold it there.
Where? I'll poo myself for trying something. Oh my god, that's what the train goes on.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yes, cobwebs.
I think we're going to have to head off home soon because...
You've got the bucket bit full, haven't you? So you want to call it a day? I know, yeah.
Depends on this side.
There's always another day, dear.
Part 2.
Part 2. So what do you want to do?
A couple more throws and then... Well, I'll come right underneath the bridge and then when we come back then we can do that side of the bridge.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's go.
Scaffold bracket.
Another
pin.
Things.
Yeah.
So what do you want to do now?
I think we'll do this part 2.
Call it a day now, yeah?
Yeah. And then we can start heading down.
Because,
to the
yeah,
bridge.
we've got to go all the way down there
Yeah, good stuff.
before that junk. Happy days. Right. We'll see you in a bit.
Right, we're back home, so I've laid everything out, so let's get straight into it. Start the back with the shovel. I'll put the handle back on.
Pretty blue.
Then we've got the bit of fencing. Scaffold pole.
Tube.
This tube, whatever it was for.
Don't know what that is though, do we? It's some sort of funnel.
Yeah, I wonder if it's like an exhaust pipe off a barge.
Don't know, because it's got like that's a golden handle there. Oh shit, I literally shook off that.
Did you?
Yeah, ow. What the hell?
Shocking?
Why'd you look at that?
I don't know.
Ow. Okay, I'm not
Then
touching.
we got all the bars there. That's all the bits of the wheelbarrow. Yeah. Then we've got 3 of these plates. 1, 2, 3. Then we've got this round thing. Still no idea what it is. Then that's the lid that you sign off like a bird feeder.
Yeah, that's what it looks like to me anyway.
And we've got a couple of bolts. 3 there. That bolt. A few scrap bits of metal there, a bit of spring.
And a dog. Come
And
out
a
the
doggy.
way.
Come on, doggy. And a bolt. These.
It's a nut in it. Scissors.
Yeah, it's a nut. Scissors. Another bolt there. No idea what that is.
That's weird, that is, isn't it?
Mm.
God knows.
Really weird.
Old chair over there.
Yeah, pole of an old chair. Mounting block handlebars. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 scaffolding brackets. Wire off a telephone. Then 2 pieces of this piping. And then we have
All of these.
all of these.
There's 11 of the big ones, yeah? Is that what he says?
There's 11 of each.
And there's 11 of them.
That's amazing.
That is amazing.
It's funny how we managed to get 11 of the
11
big
of
ones and the
each,
small
yeah.
ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Weird.
Yeah, so that was our finds for this little adventure. So I think we'll definitely head back and do the other part, the other side of the
Yeah,
bridge.
we'll
'Cause
carry
we
on
only
down,
did the one
yeah.
side, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's fun, good day. Right, then, so that about wraps it up for this adventure. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Till the next adventure, take care, and we'll see you soon.